Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Camille Hernais from Viltec Motor Sales Corporation. Dahil favorite ko ang pagta-trail, I will be showing you or introducing you our Kawasaki KLX 230 RS. Introducing the Kawasaki KLX 230 RS with 199,000 SRP. And sa mga nagtatanong, ma'am, is that a street legal? No po. That is a production bike kasi wala po siyang headlight and cannot be siya ma-register. And sa mga nagtatanong din, what is the seat height? The seat height is 35 inches. And of course, the most important thing is, ano po bang weight niyan, ma'am? Kaya po ba yan sa bundok? Of course, kaya yan. That is 113 kilogram only. Of course, if you compare it to the KLX 140, KLX 140 is 98 kilogram. That's my cheat bike actually. And for the beginner, yun talagang sinasuggest ko. But if you want more powerful, I highly suggest or recommended the KLX 230 RS. Okay, others are asking, why are you doing that? Ba't ka nagte-trail? Sayang naman yung kutis mo. Actually, what I love the most sa pagte-trail is yung mga friends ko, customers, talagang walang mayaman, walang mahirap dito, lalo na pag nasa bundok kayo. Kahit ano kakainin nyo or iinumin nyo, walang mineral water or sparkling water. Kung ano yung nandyan. And talagang dito nabuo yung pagsasamahan naming magkakaibigan. Hindi lang tambay night, hindi lang ride, of course, we're doing a trail. Talagang ini-schedule namin yan. And kahit how many times akong matumba, it doesn't matter. Kasi hindi naman siya masakit. Kagaya ng pag-iwan sa'yo ng jowa mo. Char! Anyway, if you're looking for trail bike or big bikes, check out our Kawasaki Facebook page or Kawasaki Cavite. We also have the Kawasaki Calamba, Kawasaki Santo Tomas. Alright, see you!